present in all over the country and every people. This is the dance that it's also known as the different types of categories like hip hop, salsa, belly dance, kathak, etc. And I'm also an kathak performer.
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, everyone. And my topic is engineering. Engineering is a profession which knowledge of mathematics and science gained by study. Nowadays, there are different types of engineering. I'm talking about is the software engineer. Software engineering is a side of construction or side of program, known as the software engineer. As a software engineer is a part of a computer, then it is a very opposite to the hardware, and it is a very it can't be touched. Then nowadays. As a software engineer which can be executed by a CPU.
Good morning everyone, my name is Pragati Lalawat. Today I am saying about English. English is the most important language in our life. The English language is the third most spoken language in whole world. The English language spoken about 70 countries, so it has been given the status of an international language. Every year 4,000 new words are added in English vocabulary. If we know English language, then we give
Good morning everyone, my name is Tanmay Yadav. Today's my presentation topic is importance of education. Education play a very important role in one's life. It's help us to be a successful and to be a better person. Educations improve our knowledge, skills, personality. It helps us to deal with problems in today's competitive world. Education is most important on this type. Higher education helps us to getting a good job and good personality.
Good morning, ma'am, and all of you. My name is Akshat Agrawal, and my presentation topic is gambling. Gambling can become an addiction just like alcohol and drugs. Gambling can affect the part of our brain that release dopamine, a feel good that creates feels of pleasure and give rewards. When we win a bet, our mind gives emotional reward. Gambling affected to lead to our serious affected loss of jobs, failed relationship and several debt. Problem gambling is often associated with mental health problem, depression, anxiety, mood swings, etc.
My name is Anurag Dulon. My presentation topic is Indian Army. Indian Army is an organized military force equipped for fighting on land, and Indian Army started after our independence, 15 August 1947.